If your win rate is under 50%, you're doing something wrong. And the reason I say that is because I was once there. Now my win rate's 82%, and I increased it not by adding indicators, by actually reducing trades. Now that, yeah, it sounds weird, right? Well, that's why I'm going to cover exactly why low RR trades are very profitable, especially over time. The best sessions to actually trade in the market, and if you can actually last to the end of the video, I'm going to give you a little bonus, and I'm going to show you my exact trading strategy that I trade every single day during the New York Open. Guys, it's made me a lot of money, so let's get right into the video. Trading sessions. Everyone talks about what is the best trading session. That is like something that everyone wants to know. Well, guys, first, let's mark it. We have Asia session, London session, and New York session. Now, if you are using TradingView, I highly suggest you get S&D profile by TFO. Highly suggest it because look how beautiful this is. It literally marks out all the sessions. So looking at Asia session, Asia session. Oh my God, that was horrible. I hope you did not catch that. Asia session. Let's see it. What do we see? This is what, a couple $100 move? Bro, this is no volatility. This is dead markets. London session, what do we see? A little better, right? This is a couple hundred, maybe $200-300 moves. Not bad. It's decent volatility. Look at New York. Look at that move. What is this? From this low to this low, this is a $360 move. Do you know how much volatility is in this area? How many possibilities that you can catch in New York session? Guys, this goes to show New York session is a very strong on liquidity. Look at London session and mark out the buy sides. These are very key zones. Look at this. We take out a London buy side, London high on the day. What do we do? Beautiful, clean push down as a rejection. What do we do? Mark out our London low. What do we see at a sell side? Beautiful rejection. Not once, but twice. And look, this was literally the move of the day. Now, once you've marked out these zones on the London high and London low, and now you have a good direction in the market, say, for example, you want to enter here, stop loss at the lows, of course, and if I can get it, don't be that person that's going to be targeting for what, 5, close to 10 RR trades. Guys, yes, sure, in this case, you would have made bank, you would have made a lot of money, but does this work over time? It does not. It does not. Like, yes, if you can catch this move, it's going to be beautiful, but you're going to catch this move, what, maybe once out of 10 times? And that's going to put you in a lot of drawdown. So, guys, stop shooting for these crazy trades with a 20, like, risk to reward. I mean, not 20 risk reward, 20 win rate. It's not worth it. Simply aim for 1 to 2 RR trades. Don't make life difficult. For example, look at this. From this high, say we want to enter on the inversion because we have our higher time frame confluence. -1 could be your full TP. And what is that? That's literally a 1-to-1 risk reward. Nice and easy, and you're out. It hits almost 90% of the time. And if you really want to risk it, go for a -2. That's a 2 RR trade. Beautiful. Now, let's look at this. Say we took this inversion for value gap. What do we do? -1. Beautiful tap. That's a 1 RR trade. Whoa, it's like fumbling my words. The -2 didn't end up getting hit in this case. Okay, let's look at this over here. What do we see? We take the inversion. -1, beautiful tap. -2, look how beautiful we tap into it. Beautiful tap. Now, let's look again. So you want to take this inversion for value gap. What do we have? Beautiful tap on that -1. That is quick money. Guys, are you noticing something? -1s get hit every single time. -2, here and there they get hit, but -1s are very key zones of rejection. Look at that. -1. Did -2 get hit? Close, but no. Did -1? Yes. Guys, do you see how many times -1s get hit? Like 90% of the time. And I always trade for a -1. And if the trend is strong, obviously I let a runner or two go for that -2. So guys, reduce your risk. Stop aiming for 10 RR trades. That's like shooting for the moon. Can you fly to the moon? maybe here and there if you're lucky, if you have some spells. But guys, just shoot for a 1 RR to 2 RR trade. You don't need anything else. Make trading simple, make your money, get off the charts, enjoy your day. So I think you guys deserved it. Let's jump into the strategy, and I'm going to compile everything I pretty much said into one strategy. So let's do it. Looking at price over here, what do we see? Well, just looking over here, I mean, we don't really have anything that's telling us any sort of direction other than, I would say, this inversion fair value gap. So let's break it down. Go on the hourly time frame. Let's see. Well, first, let's see the sessions. Okay, we have London session getting swept over here. That is a very beautiful place for a rejection. On the 1 hour time frame again, what do we have? We have a fair value gap. Now, guys, pairing a fair value gap with the sell side is like going to the gym on steroids. It's a strong push. Now let's go down to a lower time frame. I mean, we have our higher time frame confluence as to where price wants to go. We know price wants to go higher because of that sell side for value gap. Let's go to a lower time frame to have our trigger point of where we're going to enter the market. Now, 1 minute, sure, you have a little manipulation lag, inversion, market structure shift, sure, but I don't know. I don't really like the chop over here on the price. So let's just remove the sessions. Let's go to 2 minute. Do we have anything nice? I mean, still yes, but I don't like the chop. 3 minute, anything better? Close. 4 minute? 4 minute looks beautiful. Look, manipulation leg, very nice. What do we have up here? Market structure shift, very nice as well. And as well, we have a inversion for value gap as our entry point. So what do? Entry right on the inversion, stop loss below the low, of course. And what are we going to target over here? What did I tell you 2 seconds ago? Either a 1-to-1 or a -2. In this case, let's just target the -2. Let's see how price plays out. Right over here, market structure shift has been confirmed. That means we are going to break even. Now it's a risk-free trade. Market structure shift is also known as our break-even point. And you can see -1, beautiful pull. And let's see it, that -2, there we go, -2, beautiful move. And what do we do off the -2? We have that rejection lower. Guys, it's so simple. First of all, look at the session. We have London session low, beautiful, mark that out. Sell side liquidity inside of fair value gap. 2 very strong confluences. Go to a lower time frame. Let's look for the cleanest price. In this case, I was the 4 minute, I believe it was. If the charts want to load for me, there we go. Yeah, it was the 4 minute inversion, manipulation, market structure shift, standard deviation from the lows right to the inversion for value gap break. Market structure shift is our break even. Second, we go -1 could be partials, -2 could be full TP. We had a beautiful rejection off that -2. And guys, if you want to learn this exact model one-on-one with me, I have a link down below. I have a free trial. Go check it out. I think you would really enjoy it. And you can trade live with me every single day during the New York session. And I think that's that. Like, I have nothing else to say, guys. This is the video. It's so simple. So leave a like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And guys, if you enjoyed the video, I would love to see you come back and watch another one. So have a beautiful rest of your day, guys.